Hello, and what the heck is up, my Atlanteans? Excuse me if I'm speaking a little quieter because someone's in the other room. So for today's video, I brought in my boyfriend, and we're going to be doing a double feature. Why? You just... True, because they're freaking big. So it's currently Black History Month, and I thought for today's video, this would be the only video I would post this month. It's Black History Month, so I thought it'd be really cool if this was the only video I posted for this month, but then I posted another one earlier. So this, going forward, after this video, that's gonna be it.
Yay.
And the reason why I wanted to do Mowalola dolls is because Mowalola is a London-based like fashion house, and the creator of the whole brand is actually a black woman. So let's spotlight her. I just think it'd be really interesting if we did this in like celebration of like a black creator. I think that's really cool.
Yeah, we need some representativity.
Exactly. Not only in like the actual skin color of the dolls, but also like in terms of like the actual designing. I think one of the strongest Barbie lines too was So in Style, which was like, it's literally Barbie. Like literally the whole brand of Barbie, but it was all black women. And like they all had their little sisters, but they were black kids. Like, and like if we look back on it, like it was honestly like amazing. And like a black woman was in charge of all of that too.
See? It's important.
And then when you have black creatives and you put them in a room with these like toy companies to produce like these limited edition versions of like our favorite characters, you get this crazy amazing shit. What do you think? What are your first impressions of the Mowalola Bratz?
I really like this tile. I would say the picture is kind of better than the doll itself. But...
You know the doll was made first.
Really?
Yeah.
I mean, no, you design first and then you make a doll. And then you have the whole new design.
I guess.
Yeah, that's what I mean. The design itself, like the idea of the doll, is pretty nice. But for some reason, this dress doesn't.
Okay. Well, maybe we can spruce it up a bit when we take her out.
True. It's just the quality, I think, that bothers me a bit. But the doll itself is super nice. It's super cool.
I really like these dolls because, like, the quality. I mean, I don't know what the quality is. I haven't touched it yet, but like, it looks really nice to me, and like I think the designs are really cool. Like, it really suits me, I think. So I think that's why I got really attached to them. You know, I was trying really hard to buy them when they came on sale, but then when they did end up going on sale on Canadian Amazon, I was like, I'll wait for it to go on a better sale, but then they disappeared. And then I had to pay double to get them here from the American website. But I'm really excited about it. This is Jade, and then this is Felicia. I love that they chose to do Felicia.
True.
Like,
because they never do.
They never effing do.
She's always hidden.
Unfortunately. Do you like the shape of the box?
I think it's impractical, but I think it's one of the best shapes for dolls I've seen.
That's true. I think it's really interesting. Do you like that on the back there's nothing?
I kind of got kind of disappointed, but there's a little bit. There's some doing what you want is Moa's world. No rules.
The bottoms are different.
Ooh.
So this one I got, like, I bought them both separately and like differently. This is what the back looks like, but then
show the first one.
But like, it literally says only doing what you want is Moa's world. No rules. Exactly what you need to be a drip god.
Oh, this just have the French version, and then other languages.
Yeah, no.
And why does this one doesn't have it?
Sometimes international versions have the other languages, but I think it's only America that has just English. I think.
So that's it. So it's basically the same. You just have the translation for other languages. So English, French, Spanish.
Are you identifying them?
Dutch, and Portuguese.
Which type of Portuguese?
It could be any.
It could be any.
Yeah.
It's okay. Mine is only in English. Here is the art on the Felicia box. What does the art on the Jade one look like?
I really love it.
Was Jade your favorite out of the two?
I guess so. Yes, I guess so.
Okay.
Like style-wise.
How do you feel about the quality of the actual box?
It's good. It's a good quality. The shape could make it like bad, like very unstable, but it's not. It's very, very stable.
Do you like that the handle is fabric? They're different.
Edgy and different. I like her shoes. Her bag is kind of confusing, but I still like it.
We'll get into the clothes and stuff later, but yeah.
Drip gods.
Drip gods. I'm not sure what drip gods are. Let me Google it.
Fazer o que você quer é a regra de Moa. Chega de regras. Exatamente o que você precisa para ser drip god.
It sounds the same for both versions.
For Portuguese, for what? For Portuguese in Portugal?
Yeah.
It doesn't sound the same, but it's spelled the same, so it doesn't matter.
You don't even know.
Yeah.
So it turns out drip gods is kind of just like the line, like how it would be Bratz princess. It's Bratz ex Mowalola drip gods, because like even in the caption for the dolls, it was like it comes with everything you need to be a drip god and like stuff like that. Yeah. So then let's open it and let's continue speaking. Are you excited about it? Me too.
You want to open both?
Yes.
At the same time?
Yes. Okay, so we just opened our dolls. What are your first impressions?
This is lighter than Jade.
Oh yeah, she's heavy.
Delicious lighter than Jade. But it's because of this shit.
Oh yeah. Don't forget you can do that.
God, this is a Bratz thing.
Were you trying to remove it?
I was trying to bend her knees.
So they use the same bodies as the 2018 Bratz dolls, the limited edition ones that I have from Hayden Williams. So they are super posable at the top. This is honestly like my favorite Bratz body, in my personal opinion. I know that like people say that their arms feel really long, but like I think it's really pretty, especially for this type of composition because they're already really long.
Honey, this is not an issue for me, but is this an issue for you?
No, this is usually what happens when they're in the box for too long. Because look. Alex is discovering box hair. So we all know it looks really like badly rooted right out of the box, but like when you
wash it and clean it,
it's gonna be super good. But that's the issue, we have to wash and clean it. But they were really easy to take out of the box, right? Yeah. For me, it was super easy.
Because
for us doll people,
you're used to it.
So we got little certificates of authenticity that it comes with. But the thing is, like, because they're from two different distributors, I guess, our cards are different too.
Certificate for the non-English speaker. Open.
Yay!
Because there's a lot of things to say in many other languages.
But isn't that interesting? Come with instructions, but it's stuff that we'll like get into later. Let's talk about the dolls. So, okay, I'll show you. This is what my Jade looks like. Literally so amazing. This is what she looks like. I really, really like the spiky things for her hair. I'm pretty sure that's actually from an LOL OMG doll. This is her little dress. It's like super form-fitting, and there's these stars that like cover up the little holes. I think like little pleather stars, and I like that the dress is like intentionally see-through. I think that's really pretty, and I love that it's a maxi. We know I love a maxi moment, and she has these little socks underneath, and then these are her shoes that are very much inspired by her. I think she's half Japanese. Please let me know if I'm wrong, but like there's a big star cut out, and I think that's so pretty. And of course the socks are like separate because that's how Bratz does it.
And she's heavy because of her shoes.
She's heavy because of her shoes, for sure.
Right out of the box. She looks amazing. Look.
I think, no, definitely out of the two, she's my favorite.
Look at her shoes. It's not as heavy as Jade's shoes.
Those are called Poison Pleaser shoes.
Poison Pleaser.
Yeah.
But
these are just Pleaser.
The quality is very nice. I really like it. They have the pleather jacket, pleather skirt, but a good detail is, oh my god, the zipper works and opens up, and she has a little stars covering her tits. So it does open up, and she has stars covering her tits.
Do you like that? Do you like her shoes?
When I saw from underneath, because I didn't open, I just opened the jacket. When I saw from underneath, I thought it would be weird, but actually looking at it, it looks really nice. So good job.
Good job. So those are the dolls right out of the box. Oh yeah, and their faces. Honestly, one of my favorite parts of this entire line is the fact that that they have, first of all, they have like brand new screenings. My Jade has heterochromia and a little tooth gap.
And my Felicia has a nice makeup.
Do you have a tooth gap as well?
Yeah, of course.
Of course, because it's London based.
Because it's Legos.
Get the London look. Like, I think it's Rimmel London. They their whole thing was being like, get the London look. But every time they'd say it, the girl would have a gap tooth. Hair is so long, and it's made out of kiwi nylon hair, so it's really soft. It's not my favorite for restyling, but I can say that it's very soft and very nice. Oh yeah, and then there's a stand. They all came with stands, so like you can actually put your Bratz doll on there, and she's stable. So cool. These are my favorite doll stands. Because I like that it connects to the bottom of the shoe.
That's true.
Like, that makes sense. That makes so much sense to me.
And it doesn't need to hold it all.
So nice.
Her hair, same length as her whole body.
So cute. I love these so far. Okay, they actually do come with a second outfit that we should talk about, and some accessories.
Okay, so for Felicia's second outfit, I thought it was the best.
Do you want to put it on?
I can try. I'll remove this all. But I'm scared.
You can do it.
I don't want to break her doll.
You won't break her. So while Alex is removing Felicia's fit, we're going to talk about the fact that we get body forms that was actually holding onto the second outfit. And it's just like fully silver. It's made out of like actual plastic too. It's like definitely hollow, but still it's really cool that it came with this. And then there's a little star thing on the top. And then this is what holds on to the body form. This is actually such a good idea. So you don't have to do like the whole like thing. This is what the full base looks like. It's in the shape of the little hairbrushes. And all the hairbrushes are like this. Both Jade's and Felicia's. That is so Mowalola. That is so Bratz. This is Felicia in her second outfit. So, aside from the amazing shoes with the cutout M, she's wearing, I think it's called Poison as well. It's just like a basic, like, mini maxi dress. And it has all of these, like, things of pleather kind of covering her up and keeping her, like, modest. And then she has these, like, sunglasses that I think are called Code. I think that's what I read. And then the purse, you must be wondering, like, why does it, like, kind of look familiar? It's because it's in the shape of a gecko. And what is Felicia's nickname?
Gecko?
Yeah. What is her nickname?
Who?
Felicia.
I'm asking Gecko.
Oh, Glam Gecko.
Oh.
I love her look. Overall, so pretty, and it fits really well with the shoes. Also, I didn't even mention that this hairstyle is very Mowalola. I was checking the website before doing all this, and like almost every one of the like female presenting models has like the tiny bangs with the hime bang, like the hime side thingies.
It's cute. And now I'm gonna show you guys Jade. Look at this. This is the second outfit. I do really like it, although I prefer the first outfit for her. Second outfit wise, oh, she also has a jacket that closes and opens the zipper, which is super nice. Her glasses look like Batman kind of thing.
It's in the shape of an M. You noticed that though.
No.
Oh, it's in the shape
But
of an
now
M.
I do.
I think they're called Moamami glasses.
Ooh. I like the shape of her purse.
It's in the shape of a cat, because her nickname is...
It's that one.
Cool cat.
Cool cat. That's exactly what
I knew it.
was here.
I know. I know you. And you're right. Both of them came at the same price. Do you think that they were both worth it?
Yeah.
Like, they are equivalent?
Equivalent, yeah.
That's good. That's like one of the big things with these types of releases, especially with designers, is like, they have, like, if there's a collection of them, they have to be very similar. She has underwear.
She does. Look.
Like yellow fabric underwear. That's so cool. Because her dress is see-through.
Yay, I really like them.
Okay. So, that is the Mowalola dolls. What do you think?
I think it's worth it. What target, like what is MJ targeting with this Bratz line?
Ages 14 plus. It
14.
says. It's called a collector doll designed for display purposes. But I'm going for sushi tomorrow, and I'm taking one of them with me. Are you happy that Bratz wanted to do a collaboration with this type of stylist? This type of brand designer?
Yes, I think it's a very nice hit. I think they just got on spot. Because Bratz people now are older and they understand better everything about fashion situation and what the Bratz itself represents. So I feel like they just did it right.
And you know what? A lot of people don't know what Mowalola is. So I'm really happy that they wanted to do a designer that's not really like mainstream, you know? Like these are very alternative designs, but it's very still Bratzy, I think.
Yeah, definitely. I think they went back to the core.
Like whoever designed this was like a Bratz fan, probably.
100%. Yay! Are you happy with your purchase?
I'm super happy about them. I'm not even gonna think about how much I paid because it doesn't matter. Because I've been wanting them since I think they came out last year, like only last year, and they're already gone and like reselling for like $500. So I'm really happy that I have them and I didn't have to pay $500. I'm just like kind of sad that this is all that we're getting from the Mowalola Bratz. I kind of wish that we get more.
Those two?
Yeah.
Really?
I want. I mean, technically we do have other ones, but they're not in the lineup. Like they weren't released. I'll add like a photo. But we had Chloe, Sasha, Yasmin, and they were in the music video as well. The creator of Mowalola is also a singer. I haven't listened to any of her music, but maybe I'll start. I have to log out because I have to get to class, but I'm really happy that we did this together. Thank you, honey. Okay, out of the two, who's your favorite? After touching and playing with both.
Felicia. I mean, I can't decide.
I think
both.
They tried harder with Felicia, I think.
Yeah.
I think. But, oh, you know what? But Jade's concept is so strong.
It is.
So guys, that is everything for today's video. I hope you guys liked it.
Please like, comment, and subscribe if you want.
Hit me up with the links in my description. And I'll see y'all on the flip side.
Bye-bye.